Hi, my name is Kevin Tran, and in this video, I'll be talking about how animals can rapidly adapt and evolve in different environments like humans. Peoples whose ancestors have lived in areas that have had malaria often inherit some degree of immunity to this deadly disease. The high incidence of sickle cell trait among the people of Central Africa is largely the result of indirect selection for this trait by malaria, as we can see on the graph on your right. However, saying that animals can adapt and evolve as fast as humans is wrong, as I said in the beginning of the semester. Upon further contemplation, I realized and learned throughout the semester that the rate of evolution of an organism is not dependent on the species itself, as I initially thought, but rather on the environmental conditions that they live in. Kimberly Huey, professor of biological science at Florida State University, states that organisms respond to changes in their environment at a very fast rate. Her study is giving researchers a look at how organisms from fish to flower to tumors evolve in response to rapid environmental changes. So it's not only animals that can rapidly adapt to environmental changes, but also other organisms like flowers to tumors. To prove my point, let me give you a few examples. For instance, cichlid fishes in Lake Victoria have gone through adaptive radiation, a process by which multiple species evolve from a common ancestor. Lake Victoria is located in Africa and has rocky areas, sandy areas, and mild water areas. 500 new species emerged in fewer than 100,000 years. Over time, one species has evolved into 500 by adapting to the ecological opportunities in the lake. Cichlids come in different shapes, size, and color, which are the results to their adaptation to their respective niches. Examples of cichlids are lionheads and cribensis cichlids. Lionhead cichlids are omnivores with an oversized head that live in sandy areas of Lake Victoria, and cribensis cichlids are colorful, small, and are afraid of plants, and they live in rocky areas of Lake Victoria. Most have adapted to the turbulent waters as mouth breeders. What are mouth breeders? Mouth breeders are fishes that keep their eggs in their mouths until they hatch to protect them from the turbulent waters. Furthermore, Hawaiian honeycreepers are Hawaii's equivalent of Darwin finches. Hawaii has 4 main islands, and honeycreepers have branched out into at least 56 species. These birds come in diverse morphology and colors, which their beaks range from stubby to fragile, short to long, straight to curvy. This shows the different lifestyle each honeycreeper has adapted to be able to feed on a particular plant, insect, flower due to many environmental niches. Some develop short beaks to spot small insects to eat them. Some have long beaks to fit in particular plants for their nectar. So this shows how these animals have adapted and evolved in their environment. Also, owls are evolving to cope with increasing temperatures. In Finland, during the years where snowfall was abundant, the white tawny owl were better camouflaged in the snow and tend to be the dominant phenotype, while the brown tawny owl was selected against, unable to blend in as well as the white one. However, this has changed. As the temperature increased throughout the years due to climate change, it has caused winters to become warmer and significantly decrease the amount of snowfall. This has caused the brown tawny owl to strive as it now blends in better to the environment compared to the white one. Dr. Patrick Carroll, University of Helsinki, Finland, states that the brown owls, which used to form 30% of the tawny owls population in Finland, now make up 50. Its survival has improved as winters have become warmer. In other words, climate-driven selection has led to evolutionary change in the population. Now, snow is expected to become less common throughout Europe with rising temperatures, so is the numbers of brown owls are expected to increase. As we can see this graph, as snow depth decreases, the increase of frequency of brown owls increases. So this shows how these owls have changed and evolved and adapted to their environment. To conclude, I was wrong to say at the beginning of the semester that animals cannot rapidly adapt and evolve in different environments like humans, because they can, as we can see in the examples of the cichlid fishes, the honey creepers, and the tawny owls. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.